to Daisy Property Management Company. This is Skylar speaking. How may I help you today?
Hi, I was just wondering if I can book an appointment.
Absolutely. I can help you with that. First, could you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Sarah.
Thank you, Sarah. Next, could you provide me with the best phone number to reach you at?
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Kay here. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to build an AI appointment setter or AI appointment scheduler using Vapi and May.com for real estate agent companies. If you're a real estate agent or if you're a property manager who needs help qualifying leads, answering phone calls, and setting appointments without hiring a lot of people by reducing your costs in your business. If you don't know me yet, my name is Kay. I'm 21 years old, and in the past few months, I've been sharing knowledge in AI industry. I also build AI voice agents, AI chatbots, AI phone callers, appointment setters for business owners that wants to cut off the cost by implementing AI in their business. If you want us to build one of these agents for your business, please head over to the description down below. I will include all the links. You can also book a call with us. You can see our booking link down below, and you can book a call with us if you have any questions as well. And today's video is about building AI voice agents and AI phone callers that actually qualify leads and also set appointments for your business. If you're ready, let's get into it. So let's just head over to Vapi. If you don't have Vapi yet, if you have not signed up for Vapi, I will link it down below. You guys can also go through and sign up. So Vapi is really great to create these AI phone callers, AI voice agents. So if you haven't have it yet, I will have my link down below as well. My website link is in the description as well if you want to work with us. Before we get into the video, I also want to announce that if you want us to build these AI phone callers for your business, if you are a real estate agent or if you're an owner of a property management company, you can also work with us as well if you want us to build one for your website. So now what we're gonna do is, first of all, I'm just gonna go through these menus, these settings, and I'm gonna explain you guys what these settings are about. So first of all, for overview, if you click overview, before we start building, I just wanted to show you guys what these settings are and what they do. So it's gonna on this overview, it's gonna show you how many calls you have made and the total spend, and these average calls that you have been doing for the past months. So when you click assistant, this is where we're going to be creating assistant. All the assistants that you have created they all are going to be here. And when you click workflow, so these are the main three ones. When you go through workflow, this is going to be where you have to create your appointment scheduler, and this is where we can also integrate with other webhooks as well. So when you click create workflow, there is an appointment scheduler. There's also lead qualification agent. Okay, so this is the lead qualification agent, also called the lead qualifying agent, and there's also a customer satisfaction survey and just a blank canvas. So normally, we only go with the blank one. We don't really need to create this workflow for now, but I will also show you later on how to create these workflow. So let's say for the lead qualification agent, when you go through that, you can also see after introduction, if the user sells this way, then we are going to be doing this. Let's say if a user calls a real estate company and if they want to sell a house, then these are the questions that is going to ask. And if the user wants to buy a house, then these are going to be this workflow. Or if they want to schedule an appointment, then the AI assistant is going to integrate with May.com, and they are going to ask some other questions and schedules appointments as well. So this is the appointment scheduler workflow, and this is customer satisfaction survey workflow template. This is where we're going to be creating. Okay, so another thing, I just wanted to go through these settings in here. So phone number, you can buy a phone number or from Twilio, or if you already have it, you can use your phone number here. These are some of the phone numbers that I have created and I have bought from Twilio. If you don't have any phone number yet, for your phone number, you can also create one from Twilio as well. So all the links, the Vapi links, May.com, and every tools, almost every tools that we're going to be using in this video, they are going to be in the description. So when you go through tools, this is very important. When you click create tools, there's going to be a bunch of these tools that you can see. If you already watched some other YouTube videos, they're a lot different, because in some of the videos, in some other Vapi's versions, there is a function that you can automatically integrate to May.com, or like, let's say Google Sheets or Google Calendar or Google High Level or May.com. But this tools, when you click create tools, you can see there's a function, and this function tool is the tool that we're going to be using when we create integrate with May.com. All right, so when you click files, what are the files? This is where we are going to create our knowledge base. So if you have not created any of your knowledge base yet, then we are going to be making it in this video as well. So the templates knowledge base, I'm gonna link it down below in the description. So always make sure whenever you need something, go through the description. So right now we have book appointment JSON, check availability JSON, and some other knowledge base that we need for this video. So when you go through squads, by the way, let me just tell you guys, if you want to create a knowledge base file, you can go to Google Drive and create a Google Docs, download it as a PDF file. That's how you can do it as well. You can add a member in here, but we don't really need this, to be honest. And right here is the external provider keys. This is where you can paste your API keys. If something asks for your provider keys, then this is where you're gonna paste. And here is the Vapi API keys. So when you go through test, this is where you can test voice test suites. So you can test some other voice, but we don't really need this, so I'm not gonna go through any of these. And right here is the call logs. Go through observe. Here are the call logs. So every time when your assistant has made a call with a customer, the call logs are gonna be here, and you can see if the customer answered the call first, or if it was passed, or if it was failed. So all these are gonna be here, and you can also download the call files as well. So that's the call logs. Chat logs, if the user decided to chat with the agent, the chat logs are going to be here. Session logs and API logs, webhooks logs. And don't worry, we don't have to use it, this webhook, because we're going to be doing it with the FunctionTool. Go to community, you can see voice library. So in this voice library, you can see a bunch of various kinds of voice. So yeah, these are some types of voice that you can use. It also has different languages. So if you want to change to male voice, female voice, or different languages, or if you want to just change the accent, you can also do it here. Yeah, so there are different types of voices that you can use in here from voice library. And if there's any voice that you like, what you want to do is you want to click this copy ID and go through assistant, and this is where you can paste your favorite voice in here. Is gonna come up. If we like, sometimes like we cannot test the voice in here because it's kind of handy. So that's when you copy the ID and just paste it in here. So that's the voice library. And here is the organization settings. So in the settings, you can go through billings and add-ons and see how much it has already cost. And the main things that we are going to be using here is assistant, workflow, tools. Just only these three. Remember these three: assistant, workflows, and tools. So when you go through assistant, let's see. Right now, first of all, as soon as you want to create an AI voice agent and AI phone caller, we're going to be creating a new assistant. We're creating an appointment scheduler in this video, so we're going to be using this. So you want to click appointment scheduler and then click create assistant. So right here, first thing first, what we want to do is change the system prompt. Before I change anything else, I want to change the system prompt. So to create an system prompt, you can use ChatGPT, custom GPT, or you can also use like cloud.ai, which I already have it in here. So for me, I already have my AI system prompt that I already created. Here, let me just show you guys what it looks like when creating a system prompt. This is what you need to know. You don't really need that. So first thing first, identity and purpose. You need an identity for your AI voice agent. So let's say you are Raleigh or you are Skylar, blah blah blah, and then give us like a purpose, what it needs to do. For the identity and purpose, what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna say like you are Raleigh. So right here, I'm just gonna say like you're Skylar because I want my AI assistant to be a female. Your Skylar and appointment scheduling voice assistant for wellness partner. So I need to change this to like multi-specialist specialty health clinic. So you need to change everything in here. But don't worry, we are going to use cloud.ai. So you don't have to worry about changing it one by one. But I'm just gonna show you what you need in order to create a voice assistant, a system prompt. So after giving us an identity, we're gonna give us a voice and persona, which is personality, speech characteristics. So for the personality, you want to say like sound friendly, organized and efficient. But if you want it to be funny, you can actually say you can be like funny. Or if you want to say like humble, whatever characteristic or whatever personality that you want to give it to, then you can change it in here. So after that, there's going to be speech characteristic. Use clear, concise language with natural contractions, conversation flow, and introduction. And then after that, we're going to have appointment type determination. What kind of appointment are we scheduling in here? So for example, if we are creating for property management company, is it going to be a consultation for property, or is it going to be just asking questions about the home that the buyer is going to be buying in here? And then after asking a few questions, there's going to be scheduling process. So for the scheduling process, you need to the AI agent, the phone caller needs the AI agent is going to collect the customers' informations. Let's say for new customers, I need to collect your name, your phone number, email. So normally when we are scheduling an appointment, we normally ask for a name, phone number, email. So you can actually just tell your phone caller, these are the informations that we're going to be collecting here. So that's how this is where you are giving it the information. And then after collecting information, offer available times. So that's why we need the time slots, the available time slots, check availability JSON, and the book appointment JSON. So these JSONs, if I can, I would I might probably just put it in the description as well. And then after everything's done, after the customer choosing this appointment, scheduling the time slot, then we are going to confirm the selections. Okay, great. I have reserved this appointment with the company on what day and what time. So it's gonna say in here, confirmations and wrap up. And then we're gonna give it a response guidelines. If there's like anything that it has to respond, there's gonna be a response guidelines, scenario handling for new patient schedulings. These are what it needs to do in here for urgent appointment request. Just go to cloud.ai. So this is where you're gonna be creating your system prompt. So what I did is I just asked them, hey, can you write a prompt, a system prompt, and appointment scheduler. scheduler. The agent has to select the data, customer's name, phone number, and email, and the purpose of the appointment to the webhook. If you have not, by the way, the cloud link is also in the description. I think I've already mentioned it. So after getting this prompt, we're just going to paste it here. I said I wanted to name the agent Skylar. So what we're gonna do is, let's see. So I think I just refined the prompt. So it's gonna be here. Let's say your name is Skylar, you're a professional AI appointment scheduling assistant for Daisy Property Management Company. You're friendly, efficient, detail-oriented, and helpful in all your interactions. And the primary objective: collect complete appointment information from callers, successfully schedule appointments by gathering all the required data, and send it to the webhook for processing. So these are the required data to collect. Conversation flow. We also have this collect contact information, clarifying appointment, and we also have do's and don'ts. Do not schedule appointments without collecting all required information. Do not send incomplete data to webhook or rush through confirmations or make promises about specific appointment times and lead up to the human team. Do not do that. And don't provide the property management advices. Stay focused on scheduling. And remember, your success is measured by complete, accurate data collections that results in successful appointment scheduling. So we also need to create our knowledge base. So right now I'm gonna show you how to create a knowledge base as well, and it's really easy. You can create Cloud.ai or ChatGPT, but I prefer creating a knowledge base with Cloud.ai. Before the system prompt, you can also use ChatGPT. There is a custom GPT called Voice Pioneer system prompt writer, I think, Voice Pioneer prompt writer or something. Then you can also set it up on ChatGPT as well. So let's just go back and create a knowledge base for that as well. So right now our assistant is writing on Cloud.ai is writing this knowledge base. So I'm just going to explain you guys the sessions in here. So these are the max tokens. Tokens is the numbers of tokens that assistants need to be allowed to generate in each of these conversations. The temperature. So temperature is actually how you want your AI agents to be specific with the prompt, or it can just trick it as it wants to. Temperatures to control randomness of the output. If you set it higher, you will get more random outputs. If we just tell the AI agent, the first message would be like, "Hi, welcome to this property management company, or welcome to this real estate agent." It can also trigger, "Hello, my name is Skylar, and I am a virtual assistant from blah blah blah." So something like that. If you want random outputs, then keep the temperature high. But if you want to be specific, you can keep the temperature low. I'm just gonna keep it like in the middle. By the way, guys, the appointment schedulers that we are creating in this video, you can use it for real estate agents. It can be used for property management companies, for spa owners, and nail salon owners, beauty salon owners, even making cold calls. You can use this. Our template, this knowledge base is ready, so we're gonna copy this, name it as knowledge base. We're gonna download this as PDF file. Alright, so after downloading this, so we just created this knowledge base using Cloud.ai, and then I just pasted it on Google Docs and downloaded it as a PDF file. So right now we can add a new file. Now the file has been uploaded successfully. I'm gonna check all three: book appointment JSON, check availability JSON, and this knowledge base. So voice configuration. This is where you can select your own voice. The voice for AI agent, Will, Charlie, and like I showed you guys, if you want to choose a specific voice, you can go to voice provider, voice library. Medicine is also cool, but I'm just gonna go with this Claire. So to get this voice, we're gonna copy the ID, go back to Rally, choose 11 labs. You can also go from here from this tab, voice tab, and I'm just gonna paste this ID in here. Claire, okay. And for the model, you can actually use O3 mini cluster. It costs much less. Use something cheap or affordable. You can use for a mini cluster as well, but I'm just gonna go with this GPT-03 mini cluster. Let's see what's the difference. Fastest. Okay, this is fast. So we can also use this one. This is the fattest one. I just want it to be like fast and accurate as well, of course. Select file again. So you can go through transcriber. This is where if you want the voice agents to transcribe the call, then this is what you're gonna be doing. Select the tools. So right now we have not created the tool, so we're gonna have to create this. Structure data, success evaluation, and right here they also need a few prompts. So I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT and let it write these prompts. Hey, can you create a system prompt? Let's see, I'm just gonna go with the new chat. Create a structure data, system prompt for our AI appointment scheduler on Vapi. Oh, I spelled it wrong, but it's okay. This is not system prompt. I just need structure data. Alright, so now, okay, now we're just gonna publish this. Now we also need to create a tool. Go to tools. So this is where you're gonna be integrating with your webhook. So click create tool. Click function. This is the function tool so right now we are going to use our made.com scenario. So let me just show you what the scenario looks like. So here's the scenario that we're gonna be creating, but don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through. So we're gonna be creating this together, and I will also explain you guys the steps, what we're gonna be inputting in each steps. So first off, we are going to create a new scenario. So to create a new scenario, click create a new scenario. And now what you're gonna need to do is create a webhook. Click webhook, custom webhook, click add. And I'm just gonna name it like okay, appointment APPT appointment scheduler. No IP restriction, no. And I'm gonna copy this address to clipboard. Go back to Vapi. So right here, you're gonna paste this server URL in this tool as booking time, or let's say appointment booking. Say is this tool captures requested appointment date and time for callers. Run this tool when the customer name, requested appointment date and time, and appointment purpose are provided by the caller. This tool will return a confirmation. Alright, come back to here. So we're just gonna say that this tool captures requested appointment date and time for callers. Run this tool when the customer names, requested appointment date and time, and appointment purpose are provided by the caller. The tool will return a confirmation if the requested time was available and booked. It will return suggested alternative times if the original requested time was unavailable. Again, go to properties, and what we're gonna create is create a caller name and click required. User, no name of the caller. So for this description, we're just gonna be pasting each of it. Let's just say like the name of the caller. This helps us personalize communication and keep accurate client records. We're just gonna hit required, click apply, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. Click add property. So for this one, this is gonna be phone. Our ChatGPT has already. Click another. Email. Apply. Appointment purpose. Booking time. So here's the description. The caller's primary phone number. This is the number our team will use to call them back to confirm the appointment. For example, +1 555 123 4567. Apply. Email. The caller's email address. Oh, it's in here actually. Here's for appointment purpose. So we have name, caller's name, phone, email, appointment purpose, booking time. But I'm gonna tell you the most important things are caller's name, appointment purpose, and booking time. Phone and email, it doesn't really matter, but I just keep it to just in case if we need it. So what I have actually done is here. Caller's name, the full name of the caller. This helps us personalize communication and keep accurate client records. Just gonna write as a symbol, Sarah. Right? Oops. Click apply. And phone number. The caller's primary and type is just a string. The caller's primary phone number. This is the number our team will use to call them back or confirm the appointment. Example, +1 555 123 4567. Oh, okay, yeah. Click require. Email. The caller's email address used for sending appointments confirmations, follow-ups, or additional info if needed. Optional but helpful. Oh, I'm not gonna make it required because we don't really need that. And appointment purpose. The reason for the appointment, this helps us route the lead to the right person. For example, buyer, seller, property inquiry, general consultation. For example, interested in buying 3-bedroom home. I'm just gonna click it required because the purpose is required, and booking time. Description for appointment, date and time, please. Alright, so and then we have this appointment time, the specific time the caller prefers for the appointment or callback. This should be in clear structured time format so the system can schedule it properly. For example, 2:30 p.m. or 14:30. And we also need appointment date, so this is required. Here's the appointment date. Click add property. So this is gonna be booking. Oh, yeah, booking date. Or Tuesday, Wednesday. Click required. We don't need secret tokens. We don't need this header. We don't need secret tokens. And then we're just gonna add this message. By the way, just to make sure, again, sometimes this function features is going to be different from one version to another one. For some people, they do have like May.com, and my version is just the FunctionTool. So let's just add some messages. So request start. If you want the agent to start this or wait for the message to be spoken before triggering the tool call. So for request delay message, request respond delayed message is going to be this. So request start, I'm just going to paste it in here. All right, let me just log in that appointment for you 1 second while I'll send the details over. For these messages, I will also put it in my description down below as well. So you can also go through the links, resource links, and you can check for those messages. So here's request complete, all set. Your appointment has been scheduled. You will get a confirmation shortly, very soon. In a few hours, or maybe like in a few hours. Try again, or I can have a team member reach out to you directly. If the request failed, it wasn't done, then that's gonna say, I think something went wrong while I tried to book that. Let me try again. Or I can have a team member reach out to you directly. I'm still working on it. Thanks for patience. I'm making sure everything's set perfect for you. Okay, and then we're just gonna hit save. And make sure that the server URL is going to be from thismail.com. Copy this address to server URL. So we have just tested our assistant. By the way, if you have not seen my full video where I tested this AI agent, you can also watch this video as well, where I have tested this assistant, talking to an assistant, the full conversation, and how it is going to ask questions and what it does when I ask like the wrong questions and stuff. So that video is going to be somewhere in the description, or I would just give it up there. So now it is successfully determined. So I'm just gonna save this. What we're gonna do is create a OpenAI. Just going to click this, create a completion prompt, and you need an API key, guys. To get an API, OpenAI API key, you're just gonna go through this OpenAI, click API keys, and you can create a new key. Booking time now. Okay, so because we already have this in the tool session, okay, so you just your task is to first convert the date and time to Eastern New York. Your next task is to take the customer's requested appointment time and accurately convert to date and time format using the current time. For example, the customer may request an appointment tomorrow at 2 p.m. next Wednesday at 4 p.m. using the current date and time, convert the customer's requested appointment to a standard date and time. So based on the current time now, convert their requested into a standardized ISO 8601 date time format. Assume the time zone is Eastern time. Be strict and accurate. Only return converted date and time, no extra or request test. Hit save. And we will also create another message, add message. This row is going to be the user. So here's the current date and time is now. The caller's requested date and time, click message. So I'm just gonna click this / and booking time. We have already have this booking date and booking time, right? From our FunctionTool. So we have this booking date and booking time in here. That's why you only need booking time but not booking date. So if you don't want to include the booking date, it's okay. Having your own time zone in here. It is going to be Google Calendar. So for this calendar, what you want to do is get free basic information. So after getting this time converted date and time, then this AI agent is gonna look at the Google Calendar. I think I would just wonder if I can move it around. No. Okay, so for the minimum time, you're gonna get a converted date and time. So let's see, that's result. So whenever you want to search for something, here's the tip. Click this / and result. So right here we have, okay, so we just, minimum time, we're just gonna input the result, and maximum time, for maximum time, we're gonna go on to here, to our setting. So we're gonna go to this calendar icon, and then you're gonna add hours here. Add hours. All right, and we can see it. This result. Result by 1 hour. Okay, So here the result is the converted date and time. So we just added 1 hour to it, and for this calendar. Alright, so right now we already got this. See that? This is the result. It's module only. So if you want to run this module only, you also have to just right click this Google Calendar and run this module only. So for the result, I'm just gonna put this in and click OK. Yes. So it's gonna show us. Okay, so see that? Because we already added 1 hour, when the output was 5 p.m., now the maximum times is now 6 p.m. because it's 1 hour added. So that's why it's from 5 p.m. The meeting is now from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., which is really great. Okay, this is the module. This is gonna be router. Click router. Let it run. Okay, so you want to click it. So we're just going to create 2 calendars and see. This is create an event. Create an event. Oh, let's just go with this one at first. So if it's busy, if the busy time slot greater than or equal to 1, hit save. Oh wait, get free basic information again. So right here, after creating, this is free. Now this is the free Google Calendar. This is the basic Google Calendar. In free Google Calendar, you can actually see create an event in details. Google Calendar ID is the info, like that's your email, and then event name. I'm just gonna name it like appointment with K or just result. You don't have to just put it in here if result is already okay. And end date is also, I think this is going to be, let's say, result and add hours. It doesn't have to be the same as that. I'm just gonna delete it. So for end hour, end date, we're just gonna add hours, so which is a result. And now for this one, it should have been response. Okay, so that's all. For the body, I'm going to give you the test message. The appointment is successfully booked. Status is success. Gonna hit save. Woo! So one router is done. Now we are already on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select my that's bar appointment. Power state. Set hours. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set hour and then per state. So this is what it's gonna do is it's going to give the available time within the set hours. Let's say from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Also from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. etc. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this converted date in here. Come on. Oh, which is also called result, and 9 a.m. Okay, so it's gonna start from 9. So what it's gonna do is this agent is going to choose the hours between 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you want to do it like to 10 p.m., you can also do that as well. And right now, I'm just gonna go to calendar and do the same thing. I'm just gonna copy this whole thing, and then paste that in here. So instead of 5, I'm just gonna say like 17. Okay, that looks good. So what I just did is I just put the results. And by the way, you also have to have this month, date, year, month, and date in here. So this is the booking date, and then 9 a.m. from at any time, on any day. It is going to start at 9 a.m. So we're just gonna copy this, paste the maximum time in here, and the result. Instead of 9, it's going to be 17, which is 5 p.m. Set hour per state. So, and then calendar ID is our email. Okay. So you want to save it, and we're gonna connect to run this. Before we do that, we're gonna run this module and see what it comes out. So let's say I'm just gonna put this like on the 17. If I want to do it, 13. Let's see what it comes out. Yes, so 13, which is 1 p.m. is busy, so it doesn't come to here. It's actually go back to the above, the webhooks. So now we're just gonna connect to, and now after that we're just going to connect it to JSON, transform to JSON. So for the object, just gonna enter like convert it like so. Oh wait, no, calendar spacey here, info from this get free Basie, the Basie slot. There you go. Okay, and it gets the Basie time. So right now it is going to pass this OpenAI. We are going to create a completion so that it can send the data, the information back to back to Vapi. So right now the model is going to be 3.5 table. Click add messages and role is user. For the test content, I'm just gonna paste what I have in here, but would also leave this in the description down below, in the resources. Requested appointment time. This requested appointment time is going to be in here. That is going to be booking time right in here. And then we're going to have this JSON string. List of spacing time. We're gonna get the spacing time from JSON string. So basically the test is a client wants to book an appointment, but the time they requested isn't available. You will receive the client's requested appointment, a list of spacing time, and it's gonna send back the information. Then after that, we're going to connect to the webhook. That is going to webhook response. So this webhook, it is going to say like, unfortunately, come on, the requested time is not available. Say it isn't available so that it will not be robotic. Please choose another date and time as the following suggestion, and it's going to suggest different date and time. So click save. Now we just built our full AI appointment scheduler. It might be kind of confusing or tiring, but it's easy once you know how to do it. So right now I'm just going to run this and see what it looks like.
Hi, welcome to Daisy Property Management Company. This is Skylar speaking. How may I help you today?
I was just wondering if I can book an appointment.
Absolutely, I can help you with that. First, tell me your full name?
My full name is Sarah.
Thank you, Sarah. Next, could you provide me with the best phone number to reach you at?
Yeah, it's 223-354.
Name, Sarah. Name, Sarah. Phone, 22333547778. Email, 2003@gmail.com. Appointment purpose, property consultation. Is all of that information correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Excellent. I'm going to process this appointment request right now. Our team will contact you within time frame to confirm your appointment time and provide any additional details you might need. Thank you for choosing Daisy Property Management Company.
You're welcome. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. That was such a long one, but if you want me to teach you how to do this, like one-on-one coaching, I will also have the link down below. You can book a call with us, or if you want us to build these agents, whether you want a one-on-one coaching training or whether you want consulting, whether consulting sessions, or if you want us to build these for your company, for your business, please let us know. I will put all the links in the description so that you can work with us. So all these are going to be down here in the descriptions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do so. Hit the like and subscribe button because I've put a lot of hours in here. So thank you so much for watching, and this is also such a great build. It was very fun doing it. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye you all, and take care. Don't forget to work with us. You can also follow me on Instagram and on LinkedIn. I will put all the links down below in the description, so you can also go ahead and take a look. On my LinkedIn, I also share a lot of these informations regarding to AI automations and workflows. You can also go ahead and follow me on LinkedIn as well. So thank you so much for watching. And yeah, like I said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, you all.